Alright, hey guys, so I'm screen recording for the very first time, actually. I'm gonna show you how to get the original One Night at Flumpty's sounds on Stick Notes Pro. So you go onto Google, type in One Night at Flumpty's 3 sounds. Click on sound files, One Night at Flumpty's wiki. Click on that. Then you wait for the page to load. Then go down. You can choose any one of these, but we're getting into the jump scares, so we just go down, 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 down. Antagonists. Wait for it. Just go down, go down. There we go. Go into the jump scares tab, and you find all all the jump scare noises. So what you want to do is find the specific jump scare that you want to download. For example, I want the owl and breakfast sound jump scare scream. So I click on the 3 dots, then click on the download, wait a couple seconds. There we go. What you want to do is click the circle button, go into the files, wait a couple minutes, go into downloads and receive files, click download manager, wait for it to load. See, Stick Notes Pro only uses MP3 files, or anyone else. So, what you want to do is hold it until you get the blue check mark. Click on More. Click Rename. And then what you want to do is remove the last thingy you want. And then put MP3 at the in its place. Click OK. Changing the extension may cause the file to become unusable. Continue anyway. Click OK. If it doesn't work, just try another sound, alright? Click OK. Then, once you have... Alright, that was weird. Click on audio. Maybe. Uh-oh. Anyways. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Anyways, if that actually happens, here's a quick solution. It's kind of meta, like tutorial. I'm gonna stop. So yeah, just it's the same thing. Do that. No, go into Chrome or not. Click on here. Open. Oh shit. Okay. I'm teaching myself these things. Okay, click on downloads. If you find this, oh shit. If you don't find the file, that's okay. You can download it. It's fine. Go down here. There we go. Download. Alright. Do the same thing again. Audio.
In your shortcut. Now.
Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. Delete that one. Okay, here's the actual part. You click move. This little file icon with the arrow on it. Click that. then it says select the location. Now I've already preset it, but for you guys, just click on stick notes, go all the way down to sounds, and click the check mark. Click it, and there you go. You have successfully added a One Night at Flumpty's jump scare sound to stick notes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, hit the bell, do whatever you want, and see ya.